Welcome guys to Kinyarwanda 101 with Remy Shuti. Guys, today we are going to learn Ibihekane. What are Ibihekane? Ibihekane are combination of, today we will start with just two consonants. So how do you pronounce them? Because they are so vital to learning or pronouncing any Kinyarwanda word, because you meet them everywhere in every word. So I will follow their alphabetical order, and I will also give one example of their one or two words where that Ibihekane comes, where that combination comes in. So today we are starting with BW. BW, so B was ba, W was wa. The words before the last are always silent, and you try to combine them. So BW, you would read it as bwa, bga, bga. So B is, you silence it immediately, and then you go to the W, to the last one, bga, bga. So with the different consonant, it's bga, bge, bgi, bgo, bgu. And an example where this word comes in is UBWIZA, means beauty. And then the next one, we are going to BY. BY, ba, ya. B is ba, ya, Y is ya. So you read it as bya, bya, bya. So the B is silent, and then the Y with it's in its neutral form. You read it as if there is an A behind it. Bya, bya. So with the different consonants, bya, bye, byi, byo, byu. It's important to look on how the lips are moving, and make sure you pause the video and practice this sound at least like 7 times, so that you master the way you sound it. Bya, bye, byi, byo, byu. So notice sometimes I bring my lips to the front. Byu, bya. So bya. So I'm pulling the lips towards the back. Bya. And I'm also exaggerating the way I open the mouth. Bye, byi, byo. So on byo, the lips come to the front, and also on byu. An example, a word where this comes in, you can say byawe. So byawe, it's like saying things that belong to you. All right, let's go on the next one. The next one, we go to CY. CY, C is cha, ya is ya. Y is ya. So you read it as kia, kia. So you start sounding the C, and then you immediately go to the ya, kia, kia. So an example, CY comes in chane. So chane means much or mostly. This word can be used in a lot of, so it's like exaggerating. Or if you thank someone, you say orakoze chane. All right. So CY with the different vowels, cha, che, chi, cho, chu. The next combination is GW. G is ga, W is wa, gwa, gwa, gwa. So with the different with the different consonant vowels, gwa, gwe, gwi, go, gu. Gwa, gwe, gwi, go, gu. Gwa, gwe, gwi, go, gu. An example where this combination comes in, GUTWARA. GUTWARA means it's have in abundance, or have more of. So it's like wishing something to someone. So kugwiza is to have enough. The next one, we are going to JW. J was ja, W was wa. Jgwa. Jgwa, jgwe, jgui, jgo, jgu. Jgwa, jgwe, jgui, jgo, jgu. An example of where this combination comes in is ijgwi. Ijgwi ryawe, it means your sound, your voice, ijgwi. The next one, we are going to JY. Ja, ya. J is ja, Y is ya. Ja, ja, kujya, kujya. So the J is silent and then you go immediately to the Y. With the different vowels, ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ja, je. So even if I'm telling you with the different vowels, it's just so that you know how to sound it. Some of the vowels that are mostly used are with a, and then the u. An example word is KUJYENDA. KUJYENDA. The next combination is KW. Ka, wa. K is ka, W is wa. Ka, wa. So it's ka, kwa, 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 kwa. Kwa by without adding any other word you are saying to. Let's say if you want to say to my sister, kwa mushiki wanje, kwa. So kwa, kwe, kwi, kwo, ku, 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 ku. And the next one we are going to MB, mba. Ma, ba, mba, mba, mba. If you say mba, it's like I live. Mbahano, I live here. Mba. So with the different vowels, mba, mbe, mbi, mbo, mbu. Mba, mbe, mbi, mbo, mbu. So an example is mbaza. Mbaza is like ask me, mbaza. So it comes from the verb kubaza. We are going now to the next combination, and the next combination is MF. Ma, fa, mf, 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 mf. M is m, ma, ma, fa, mf, 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 mf. So the M is so silent, and then you go immediately to the F. Mfa, mfa. Mfa, mfa. So mfa, mfe, mfi, mfo, mfu with different vowels. Mfa, mfe, mfi, mfo, mfu. So an example, a word where mfa comes in, you can say MFATA. MFATA, it's like hold me, or mfasha, help me. Now the next combination is MV. Mv, mv, mva. Ma, va, mva, mv, mv, mv. So M is silent and then you go to the V. Mva, mva. Mva, mve, mvi, mvo, mvu. Mva, mve, mvi, mvo, mvu. An example, MVURA. MVURA means the rain, rain. Next combination, we are now on N. ND. Na, da, nda, nda. Nda, nde, ndi, ndo. Nda, nde, ndi, ndo, ndu. An example, or if you say ndaje, you're saying I am coming. Ndaje. The next one, we are going to NG. NG. Na, N is na, G is ga. Nga, 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 nga. Nga. So notice nga, nga, nga. Nga. So Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. An example, ngaho. Ngaho, it's like there, there. The next one, we are going to NS. NS, na, sa. Na, N is na, S is sa. Nsa, 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 nsa. Nsa with different vowels. Nsa, nsa, nse, nsi, nso, nsu. An example of word where this combination comes in, NSEKA. NSEKA, it's like I'm telling you, laugh at me, laugh at me. The next one, we are going to NT. Na, ta, na, ta. N is na, T is ta. Nha, 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 nha. Nha, nhe, nhi, nho, nhu. Nha, nhe, nhi, nho, nhu. And an example is NTAWE. NTAWE means nobody. The next one, we are going to NY. NY is also used a lot. Na, ya, nya, 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 ne, ya, nya. So with the different consonants, nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu. An example of where this combination is used, NYOGOKURU. NYOGOKURU means grandma, grandmother. NYOGOKURU. The next combination in NZ. Nza, 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 nza. Nza, nze, nzi, nzo, nzu. Nza, nze, nzi, nzo, nzu. Don't forget to pause and repeat the pronunciation until you feel like it's almost similar to what I'm sounding it. An example of word where you find this combination, NZAZA. NZAZA means I will come. NZAZA, I will come. Next one, we are going to SH. S is sa, H is ha. Sha, 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 sha. Sha, she, shi, sho, shu. Sha, she, shi, sho, shu. An example, gushira. Gushira means putting. The next combination, we are going to TS. Tsa, tsa. So TS, tsa, tsa, tsa. Tsa, tse, tsi, tso, tsu. Tsa, tse, tsi, tso, tsu. A word where we find this combination. An example is GUTSINDA. GUTSINDA means winning. So GUTSINDA, we have two combinations, TS and ND. ND, we have already seen it. GUTSINDA means winning. Next one, we are going to TW. Tawa. Tkwa. 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 Tkwe. Tkwi. Tko. Tku. Tkwa. Tkwe. Tkwi. Tko. Tku. An example, we will say umutkwe. Umutkwe means the head. Or GUTWARA means to carry. Next one, we are going to TY. TY, ta, ya. So, tia, tie, ti, tio, tiu. Tia, tie, ti, tio, tiu. An example is gutya. Gutya, tia. Gutya. Gutya. Or gutyo. Gutya is like this, gutyo it's like that. Gushira. Now guys, the next one is RW. So this one is ra, wa, rgwa, 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 rgwe, rgwi, rgo, rgu. Rgwa, rgwe, rgwi, rgo, rgu. An example, Rwanda. Non-native speakers, they don't mash the consonants together like the Rwandans. They say Rwanda, so they sound everything. But we say Rwanda, Urwanda, Kinyarwanda. The next one we are going to ry, rya, 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 rye, ryi, ryo, ryu. Rya, rye, ryi, ryo, ryu. An example, kurya. Kurya means eating. The next one we are going to ZW. ZW, zgwa. Zawa, zgwa. Zga, zwa, zwa. Zwa, zwa, zgwa, 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 zgwa. Zgwa, zgwe, zgwi, zgo, zgu. Zgwa, zgwe, zgwi, zgo, zgu. An example, gukuzwa. Thank you so much, guys. And this was how to read the two consonant combinations you find in our language. Some are used more often than others, but knowing how to pronounce all of them, it's useful to be able to speak our Kinyarwanda. Guys, I also have a channel where I regularly share workouts program you can follow from home or anywhere else. Check the link in the description. And yeah, in the next lesson, guys, I will tell you the 40 sentences that you must know to be able to get around in Rwanda. Thank you so much, and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.